What's good, y'all? This is Diz back with another video, you know what I'm saying? Sure as well about the title of this video. Pretty much I'm gonna be doing a reaction on a video. Basically it's a storm chaser, but he's actually like basically inside the eye of a hurricane on ground, you know what I'm saying? Basically, like I say, you gonna see in the video basically it's gonna be the part where, like, say, you looking straight up, man, it's blue sky, but you see, like, you can just see, like, a big circle all around, so it's like, yeah, that's the eye of the storm, you know what I'm saying? And then as you go further, yeah, you gonna see the bad part, you know what I'm saying? But it's like, yeah, it's crazy. Like I said, I always, like I say, I'm just crazy with nature. It's like, yeah, I want to see a tornado up close, and I want to see, like, I want to see a hurricane's eye up close, you know what I'm saying? But I don't want to be in it. But of course, you know what I'm saying, to see the eye, you know what I'm saying, like, you have to actually be in it, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, I'm going to be doing the reaction on that one. So like I say, if you're interested, definitely keep watching. So without further ado, let's get into it. Yep, there it is. See the laser, look, you see the sun, you see the sky. Well, ain't really blue skies, but you see the sun, so it's like, you clearly see the eye wall, so. Right.
Real quick, this is the eye wall, the stadium effect. Looking all the way around.
For real. Hey, I ain't like, it's marvelous, but at the same time, it's like,
Yes.
they painted by a tree. Okay, yeah, you trying to exit the eye wall, but it's about to get bad. I'm knowing. Like, it is fascinating though. Like, you actually see like the eye of the wall, man. Okay, just to see the eye period, without looking at pictures of the actual storm itself. Like, you actually in it. It is magnificent, but man, still dangerous, regardless. I believe it's about to get bad. So you can tell how big that eye is right there. He still ain't out of it. Surprised I don't see like the little spinning. Like, and then you probably can't even see that on the ground anyway. Oh, okay, there you go. I was about to say, he stopped, but yup. Yeah, that's how you know about to get bad. Yeah, you see the clouds like moving in? Yep. Oh, and it's a category 5. Okay, I ain't just recognized it till now. Oh yeah, you see them clouds moving in? Yep. You finna get it, buddy. Yep. You see, you looking at that in your rear view. Yeah.
Wings in the opposite direction. Social practice, just in case.
Okay. Steal some juice from me. So
Blue sky overhead.
Dang, y'all still alive? Damn.
Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
you see that? Yeah,
Yeah.
I have no words.
So lovely.
Oh, okay, you see it in slow motion. Okay, you see that. Okay. Gotcha. Dang, I ain't think the owl was that big though. Wow. That thing still ain't okay. It's getting covered now. That thing still ain't covered. Dang. Unless they just followed it, yeah, okay. Wow. There you have it on that one, you feel me? Like I said, yeah, it's just, like I said, it's fantastic. It's fascinating to see it, like, you know what I'm saying, to see it up close, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean, with an eye, you know what I mean, you're gonna be in it, but, you know what I'm saying, it's fascinating to look at, but same time, it's like, I look at it, but same time, it ain't nothing like you can really drive away from, because, like, yeah, any way you drive, yeah, or any way you, in the direction you go, yeah, you gonna get the impact, because, like I say, you directly inside the eye, so it's like, damn. But like I said, it is fascinating to see, you know what I'm saying? The only thing, like I say, because it made me remind of the scene from The Perfect Storm, basically when they was sailing and when the sun popped out, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. When I first seen it, I was like, okay, yeah, they gonna make it. Like Mark Wahlberg said, he was like, yeah, we gonna make it. Whew, you know, he took that sigh of relief, but then once I seen the sun went in, I was like, damn. So that's when everything got bad, and that's when I found out later, you know what I'm saying, on their life. It's like, yeah, like when it gets bad like that, yeah, I mean, you was inside the eye, like it'll be like the sun will shine through, but then once you know what I'm saying, once you go through it, yeah, and you come out of it, and then like I say, just get back bad again, yeah, you know what I mean, you was in the eye, so it's like, damn. So it's like, yeah, I know that's bad. Now they was on water too, so you know what I'm saying. It's about a little bit better if you're on land, but still, if you're on water, yeah. I mean, it ain't good regardless, you feel me? But, I mean, that's crazy, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, that was my whole reaction to it, you know what I'm saying? Basically, a video, you know what I'm saying? I think they were storm chasers. They was inside of a, you know what I'm saying, eye wall. I think it was Hurricane Michael, I believe. Yeah, it was a category 5. So, whew. Yeah, so like I said, hey, that was my reaction. So, like I said, hey, like, comment, subscribe. Also, share my videos, whatever you want to do, or whatever you can do. I'm down with it regardless, you feel me? So, until my next video, y'all already know what it is. I'll see y'all in a minute.